Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and I'm documenting my journey to lose 100 pounds. I've got a real quick video for you today. I'm going to make a barbecue chicken pizza. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Everything I use and the recipe will be listed in the description, but this recipe is really just a template. You can change the toppings to whatever you want. First, you need to kind of toast the pitas, this way they don't get soggy. I put them in at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then I flip them about halfway through so that they don't burn. While they're cooking, I get my toppings ready. For this pizza, I use red onion, pineapple, and rotisserie chicken. I showed canned chicken in the intro because I filmed it later and I had already used all of the rotisserie chicken that I had. But we've used the canned chicken before and it's not bad. I used canned pineapple just because it's easier, but you could use fresh pineapple and I bet it would be even better. We've made this before with a tomato sauce and then topped it with pepperoni, banana peppers, and low-fat ricotta cheese. The combinations are really endless. So after the 10 minutes are up, the pitas are done and I take them out of the oven to start assembling the pizzas. First, I add 24 grams of our favorite barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray's. But if you wanted to lower the calories, you could try adding G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce instead. I spread that over the pita and then I add the toppings. I don't weigh the vegetables that I add because they have very few calories, but I use 2 pineapple rings for the 3 pitas just so it's easier to track. Then I add 1.3 ounces of chicken to each pizza. Chris and I split the third pizza, so this way we both get 2 ounces of chicken for lunch. If you were doing just one pizza, I would add 2 ounces of chicken to it. Just make sure you track it if you do. Then I add 20 grams of part Skim mozzarella to top each of them off. Once all the toppings are on, I put them back in the oven at 400 degrees for another 5 minutes. This warms everything up and melts the cheese. Then I broil them at 500 for 2 minutes just to brown it. That's it. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. See ya!